Welcome to Italian for Beginners and Travelers Lesson 5 Course 1. I am your teacher and I am very happy to virtually see you here again with me today. So let's start our 5th lesson. So today's lesson is all about manners. So let's start with please. Please in Italian is
Per favore.
thank you in Italian is
Grazie.
the letter E in Italian is A. If you want to say thank you very much then it's
Grazie mille.
you are welcome in Italian.
Prego.
How about if you want to apologize? So here you have two options. The first one is I am sorry and in Italian you can say
Mi dispiace.
the other one is excuse me and you have two ways to say excuse me.
Scusa and scusi.
The scusa is used in an informal way. You can use it to apologies to your family and friends. Scusi is formal. You are going to use it to apologies with people that you don't know and people who are older than you. So what is the difference between mi dispiace and scusa or scusi? So you can use mi dispiace when you are regretting something that happened. Scusa and scusi are used when you are apologize for small things. Let's try some exercise. Here you have some situation and what you will have to do is to decide whether to choose mi dispiace, scusa and scusi. Okay, so I will read the situation for you. You are walking in a store and accidentally nudge someone as you pass by. So what do you say? Yes, you say scusi because you don't know the person. Let's try one more. You are having a conversation with someone and want to interject. You say yes, you say scusa. It's a last situation and write your answer in the comment section. You are hungry and you eat your roommate's last homemade cookies, not knowing that she was saving it. You say write your answer in the comment section. I hope you like this lesson. Please subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel and also share your opinion about this course in the comment section.